has expressed its willingness to run the FCCL on a joint venture basis. And I also understand that the former chairman of the MCCL, Mr. Vaidant Kishwar, went to Calcutta on the 19th October 2022 to verify the credentials of BCPL, and on his return, he addressed the press and explained to the media that his visit is to check the cement plant of MCL, and the government is waiting for documents, including the balance sheet of this company. So, may I know what is the stand of the government on this regard?
Mr. They're looking for one. He has asked that the document is they are qualified. And we are yet waiting for the final document to submit by them. And when they submit the final document, they will take a call and we plan how to implement. As for now, we are waiting for the final document from the
The turnover of BCPL is under 51 crore. So, may I know, there is any guarantee, is there any guarantee that this company will be able to run BCPL if this is the case?
Mr. Suresh, that is the reason that we are waiting for the document to only will think about whether it is feasible for the government. Now the process of supervision is still on. So not yet finalized. So and the point mentioned by the government is first factors. So let us finalize when everything is not done, when everything is in place, then we will take a final call whether the company is possible to run this or not. And if not, we will take that in future.
So, because in the course of it, I'll go back to the first document, sir. Because in the first document, this says that it is found that this company is qualified. So, I don't know whether the minister is contradicting himself or not. When in the first case he said that this company is found to be qualified, and now he agreed that maybe this company may not be qualified.
I already state very clearly, as per the person is qualified. But as per the NAR clause in the NAR itself, we have to verify it with the original documents of the item. So till today, two times we have reminded, so the final documents not yet submitted by them. That is the reason we are still awaited for the private. The only will be taken over that are finalized or qualified.
So,